we're going to enter that time of quiet together. Let's focus now. Let's focus on allowing our body to release tension, on allowing any tension to be released. And if you start at the top of your head, you can go, okay, thoughts, be at peace. You can ask your jawline, jaw, release tension. Neck, be soft, release tension. Thoughts, be at peace. You can invite your shoulders to soften. You can say to your shoulders, be at peace, be soft. Release any tension. And you can allow that feeling to continue down your spine as you allow your spine to align and be at peace, to release any tension. You can do that with your shoulders down through your arms and your hands as you allow them to also relax and be at peace. We often hold tension in our core or our hip area, and you can invite your hips to be soft, to let go, be at peace. And as we continue all the way down the body, all the way down the legs, down to your feet, you can invite your entire body, head to toe, relax, be at peace. Let's breathe in that relaxation. And while we sit in this quiet moment of relaxation, we can imagine that divine light that is above us, coming down, surrounding us, moving in us and through us. And you can imagine that white light as a bubble all the way around you, a bubble of goodness, a bubble of love, a bubble of universal flow. In that bubble is the divine quiet. The divine quiet of your soul's connection. And as we sit together for a few minutes in that quiet, if any thoughts come to your mind, you can see them too as a little bubble that floats away, and you return to the quiet inside. And we breathe in and we breathe out that quiet. And we breathe in and we breathe out that peace. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, that inner divine quiet is always accessible in that garden of your heart. As we breathe in, when we breathe out, we affirm it is so, and so it is.